I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out and move mountains. We gon' walk it out and move mountains. And our eyes up, eyes like the day, eyes up, eyes unafraid, eyes up. And I'll do it 1,000 times again. And our eyes up, high like the waves, our eyes up, in spite of the ache, eyes up. And I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. When the silence isn't quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe, and I know you'll feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet and move mountains, bring it to its feet and move mountains. And our eyes up, eyes like the day, eyes up, eyes unafraid, eyes up. And I'll do it 1,000 times again. And our eyes up, high like the waves, eyes up, in spite of the ache, eyes up. And I'll do it 1,000 times again. Oh, and all we need, yes, all we need is hope. And for that we have each other. And for that we have each other. Yeah. Oh, we will rise. Yes, we will rise. Yes, we will rise. Oh, we'll rise. Eyes like the day, eyes up in spite of the ache. I will rise, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. And we'll rise up, we'll rise like the day, we'll rise up in spite of the ache. We'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. Oh, for you, for you, for you. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, sana po ay nagustuhan niyo po yung version ko ng Rise Up. And now, for my next song, here's another cover that I've done. It's a bit not recent. Maaari ba tayong bumalik sa umpisa upang di na umasa ang pusong nag-iisa?
Pasensya ka na sa mga kathang-isip kong ito. Wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa inyo. Ako'y gigising na sa panaginip
souls are glowing, ever warmer too. Your love surrounds me like a lullaby, saying softly, you are mine, oh mine.
Moon has never glowed this cold. Hearts have never been this close. I have never been more certain. I will love you till we're old. Sing with us.
Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just stay together.
Laban lang. Kaya sobrang nakaka-inspire po talaga yung mga kwento nyo nga po as mga OFW. Kasi alam ko po yung hirap na, o syempre for sure, even si Darren nakaka-relate talaga siya. Yung hirap ng, yung mahiwalay din sa family para makapag work for your family and of course for you also. Kaya yun, sobrang nakaka-proud. Ikaw,
Dito naman sa
magtanong ka
kabila. Okay. Sino po dito? Ang gusto ko mausap sa akin.
din. Gusto mo marami sa tinutulong.
Sino po dito? Oh, ang dami naman gusto ko mausap. Okay, si ate daw. Maraming tumutulong kay ate. Ate, ano
Yes,
pong pangalan niyo? Hello po. What's your name, ate?
Kate po.
Ate Kate, gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa Germany?
Mga 5 years.
5 years din. So, kamusta naman po ang lifestyle ninyo dito? Meron po, kasama niyo po pamilya niyo dito sa Germany o mag-isa lang po kayo?
Opo, kasama ko sila.
Proud po yung mga ginagawa nyo. Kayong mga OFW po. Saludo po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And yun nga po, as I said kanina, yung kasama kong itong showstopper tonight, sobrang alam niya yung feeling na yun. His incredible journey of finding his own voice is deniably sobrang nakaka-inspire
Ang
naman
witty
talaga.
nun. Finding his own voice.
Kasi nga,
Galing tayo sa The Voice.
Ding, 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 ding. Diba? From a promising kid in Canada to joining The Voice Kids, Dad and Kids. My career to go way back. I was actually 14 when I started. And so, syempre ang dami namin na pagdaanan. We go through so much, especially yun nga, same kami ni Darren, mga pinagdaanan. Pero we really just want to continue to motivate also mga kapamilya namin na ituloy niyo lang po yung mga pangarap niyo, work hard. And syempre, it's also very important na you also keep in touch with the people that you love and of course the faith, diba? Kaya this is very, I'm very thrilled to be here with all of you. And so, I have been working on some music and I'd like to share a song that I released during the pandemic. Kasi nung pandemic, of course, kumusta pala kayo dito nung pandemic? Naka-duty! Wala ba kayong ano? Kumusta? Mga nurses. Uy, can I also just say mabuhay din po sa ating mga OFW na mga nurses? Kasi grabe talaga. And I'm not sure. And Bisaya songs and projects you have been putting them out. Sana po i-support niyo rin po. Thank you so much. Alright, next is, syempre, kahit na for the early years in my career, I have been doing a lot of shows, doing yung mga covers, and I'm very grateful all the viral performances. Thank you so much, by the way, for supporting all of them. Lalo na sa mga sa Wishpa, sa ASAP. Thank you. Sa Showtime, thank you. I think one of the trademarks of being a singer is when you have an original song. Whether it is something that you wrote or something that was given to you to interpret. And so I think I am very proud and bold to say that. I think it was with this song that a lot of doors has opened for me. And I'd like to sing this song for the first time here in Frankfurt in Germany with all of you. Sana po ay makajamming ko po kayo sa song na ito. Ito na yun. So, ikaw, Darren.
Ano ka muna ng pawis mo?
Thank you naman
Ayan.
po.
Pero syempre, for me, being a show, tsaka hinawakan ko habang nagsasalita. Dapat, pag naging showstopper ka, superb yung vocals mo. Wow, pagdating sa moves at syempre, overall performance. Diba? Syempre.
Sorry, may inside joke kasi kami. Yung commercial
Oo.
natin mahaba.
Oo.
Nakakatawa kasi. Yun lang. Yun! At dahil dyan, we would like to, syempre, at the most of our abilities, would like to share with you guys. Syempre, we're very privileged to be called total performers.
Yes.
We'd like to kind of showcase that for you, for all of you here today. Starting off with this song na I think kasing tanda ng relationship namin ni Darren.
Okay.
Parang dito din nagsimula yung pagiging friends namin ni Darren kasi naalala mo ba yun?
Yes. Ano?
Sa
Wish.
Wish Awards.
Ginawa namin to 10 years ago sa Wish Awards.
Yeah, so we'd like to bring that back and bring that here in Frankfurt. This is for you guys. Kung nagka'y tadhana, tanging pumiling sa mga tala, mapintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo.
Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding
Ito na, ito na!
world.
Ano ba itong nadarama?
Oh, shot.
Ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Nadarama, 'cause boy, it feels so good.
Ang daming sumasayaw sa audience, ha?
Kailangan ng spotlight sa mga audience din today.
Do you guys want to dance with us here sa stage?
These next few songs, let's go. We're gonna enter the realm of rap naman today. Alright? Siyempre, represent Pinoy Pride din ito.
Yes! Oh, jeez!
Yep. You guys ready? You guys remember this one? Classic. In this context, there's no disrespect. So when I bust my rhyme, you break the next. So you got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect, collective, the rhythm effect. So lose your inhibition, follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from the tradition. Cause when we be out, girlies with you weave out, and you wouldn't believe how we wow. Out, burning out is burn out, turn it out is turn out. Act from the S, we start sound. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get started, let's go, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. This is happening November 17, 2024 at the Art Madrid Club, Paseo de la Florida 2. So, ayun.
Yes, for more information, please follow our TFC pages on Instagram
Yes.
and of course on Facebook as well.
Yes,
Kapamilya
kapamilya
TFC
for more updates.
for
Ayun,
more updates.
You guys heard it first. So, syempre, if meron po kayong, kung wala pa kayong plans for the, ano ba yun? Thanksgiving?
Yes.
If wala pa po kayong plans, let's join us in Spain and magparty din
Mary
tayo,
sa Spain.
magrakrakan tayo
Okay.
doon.
Be, sa Spain ha?
Ay, magkita-kita po tayo sa Spain. Again, to everyone here in Frankfurt, we are
Spain or
so
Spain?
happy to see each and every one of you.
Spain.
Maraming salamat po sa mga
In
humabol.
Spain.
Sa Philippine Consulate, nandito
Joke
si
lang, joke.
Conjen. Maraming salamat sa paghabol.
Thank you, Conjen.
Nakita ko sa backstage.
Mabuhay.
Yes po,
Thank you
maraming
so
salamat.
much.
Again, this has been the Showstoppers. I am Darren.
And I am Morissette, and this is
Showstoppers.
We have one more for you guys. At magustuhan niyo po ito. No someone sang, no wine on tasting.
Hi, baby!
The tigers come tonight. With their voices soft as thunder, as they take you home.
Hoy!
To share. Ström och hårt, det kom så.
at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba?